Good day, everyone. How's your day? Well, today is another day for us to discuss another remedial strategy. For today's discussion, we are going to talk about acoustic highlighting. Acoustic highlighting is a strategy which puts emphasis on a specific sound or word to make it stand out and make it noticeable. This strategy is used for learners who are struggling to process ideas from a verbally delivered information. Now, here are some ways where you can perform acoustic highlighting strategy. The first one, speak the target with more emphasis by increasing the intonation or pitch. Example, kindly draw 4 circles in your notebook. So in this example, I put some stress on the word for by increasing the intonation or pitch for the students to easily distinguish the number of circles that they are going to draw in their notebook. Is it clear? Let's now proceed to the next one. Pause slightly before saying the target. Example, we will meet at 10 a.m. in the mall. In this example, I pause slightly after I say the word at to give way for the information that I want to highlight, which is 10 a.m. Is it clear? Let's now proceed to the last one. Increase the duration of uttering the target. Example, I wrote a long essay yesterday. So in this example, I extend the duration of uttering the word long to emphasize that the essay that I made or that I wrote yesterday is long. Is it clear? Okay. Now, acoustic highlighting is very beneficial for students during class, especially when the teacher is giving instruction or emphasizing major ideas during discussion. Now, let's have a try. Let's apply the things that I shared in typical classroom situations. Are you ready? Let's start. So the first situation is that speaking the target with more emphasis by increasing the intonation or pitch in giving instruction. So here's the scenario. The teacher is giving an instruction. The first one, get one whole sheet of paper. The next one, accomplish the task 5 in your notebook. Answers only. Did you get the idea? Did you hear the words that I emphasize in those sentences? If not, let's repeat. Again, get one whole sheet of paper. Next one, accomplish the task 5 in your notebook. Answers only. Now, did you get it? Let's see. So what kind of paper will the students get on their bag? Right. It is a one whole sheet of paper. Good job. How about the next one? what will be the way of the students answering the task 5 in their notebook? Yes, you got it right. It is answers only. The students will no longer write the questions in their notebook. It's only the answers. I see that you're grasping the lessons that I want to instill in you. Let's proceed to the next one. Slightly pause before saying the target in announcing important matter about the school. So the scenario is the teacher will announce something in the class. The first one is the releasing of card is at 3 p.m. The next one, there will be no classes tomorrow. Did you get the idea? If not, let's repeat. Again, the first one, the releasing of card is at 3 p.m. Next, there will be no classes tomorrow. Now, did you get it? Let's see. What is the time of releasing the card? Right, it is 3 p.m. And based on how I say it earlier, I pause slightly after I say the word at to give way for the word or information that I want to highlight, which is the time of the releasing of the card. It is the 3 p.m. Now, next one. Will there be a class tomorrow? Right, there will be no class tomorrow because the announcement of the teacher says that there will be no classes tomorrow. And based on how I say it earlier, I pause slightly after I say the word be so that it will give way to the announcement or the main information in the announcement, which is no classes tomorrow. Good job of getting that one. Now, let's proceed to the last one. Increasing the duration of uttering the target during class discussion. So the scenario will be the teacher is having a discussion in the class. The first one, the verb in the sentence is swim. The next one, the adjective used to describe the rainbow that Dora saw in her adventure is wonderful. Did you get the idea? If not, let's repeat. The verb in the sentence is swim. So, what is the word that I increase the duration of my uttering? Yes, it is the word swim because I want to highlight that the verb in the sentence is the word swim. Good job! For the last one, the adjective used to describe the rainbow that Dora saw in her adventure is wonderful. Again, what word did I extend my uttering in the sentence? Right, it is the word wonderful because I want to highlight that it is the adjective used to describe the rainbow that Dora saw in her adventure. I think you completely grasp the idea that I want to instill with this discussion. Now, we learned about a listening strategy called acoustic highlighting. Let's meet another day for us to discuss more remedial instruction about language. Thank you.